right, you guys, today is the last day. I think I said that yesterday.
But we have another thing to do. That's right.
Kidding. Today is the last day, and we're going to make our hens. All right. So, sort everything. See what you have. Oh, I got some eggs and a chick that's just newly hatched, it looks like. Part of our nest.
Yep.
And then we have our body, and we have our head. Okay.
All right.
Let's see what we can do with this.
That's right.
All right. If I had to guess, this would be our nest.
Yes.
Maybe?
I would guess that too.
All right. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to line up our head, flip it over, give it some glue. All right. There we go. That part was easy. I think our hen is going to have to be on our nest. What do you think?
I think so.
Okay.
Yep.
So let's glue just this bottom little ledge right here. And then take your hen, line it up, get it on there nice and tight. Okay, coming together. All right, so we have our head on the back. We're just gonna put a couple little stripes of glue because then we need to add just a little bit of tail feathers. We're not gonna do the whole thing, but just enough to kind of give it a little dimension there. What do you think?
Oh, perfect. Looks so soft and so fluffy. I love it.
All right. So next we're gonna add it to our nest. Super cute. All right. You think?
I think so. I think we need to build our nest. Some straw, some hay, nice soft things for the hen to lay on and for the chicks to hatch into.
All right, so I'm gonna just go crazy. I'm gonna put it everywhere. And then I'm just gonna I might tear some of this up. Let's see, let's push that on. How's that looking so far?
Looking so soft and cozy.
Okay. All right, got a couple more pieces. I kind of did the outside because I'm gonna put my eggs kind of right in the middle. Okay, it looks like I have one that hasn't hatched yet, so I'm gonna still be sitting on that one.
Yep.
And I'm gonna just push it down. I'm gonna flip it up just slightly. And then we have this one that's like, hey guys, I'm here. Mama, go get me some food.
That's right.
Mama, go get me some food. Oh. Super cute. What do you think?
Oh, so cute.
So cute. I might even like pull him up. So he looks like he's like, how's that look?
Popping out. There he is.
All right. So last piece is on. We have our unhatched egg. We have our hatched chick that's getting really hungry. And there you have it. That's all I have for you guys. Hen.
Yep.
Female.
Indeed.
We need a name.
We sure do.
What are we gonna name her?
How about Henrietta the hen?
Henrietta. Henrietta, meet Callie the cow.
That's right.
Callie the cow. All right, you guys. I hope you've had a blast. I'll see you next time.